Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change video size in Davinci Resolve. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Davinci Resolve. So here it is, I am in my software. So you simply need to click on this inspector on the top right, and here you can see zoom. So you simply need to click here to change the video size like this. But how you can get rid of this black box around? So you simply need to come on to the media pool, click on effects, but there is no option in fact. So you simply need to come on to the media pool, and you simply need to select the list option, and here you can see timeline. Click here and go into the timeline settings. So once you are here, you simply need to uncheck this box, and here you can see mismatch resolution, and you simply need to select center crop with no resizing. Okay, and then you simply need to divide this both values with 2, and the value will come, that is 960 over 540, and then you simply need to hit enter and click on OK, and after that it will be resized and there will be no border around this. So you simply need to come here and you can do in timeline settings, and after that you simply need to apply, and then it will be move to the right resolution that you want. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.